We all have those days. You wake up and the world feels slow. But even in these moments, there's potential. It all starts with a single step. 3 tasks, that's it. Not overwhelming, just small wins. You don't need to conquer the world today, but you can conquer your day. We often think we need to do it all, but real success lies in doing what matters, step by step. Cooking might feel like a chore, but it's more than that. It's an act of care for yourself. A reminder that even the smallest efforts contribute to your bigger picture. Fuel your body, fuel your mind. Savor these moments, the quiet ones, because when you take care of the little things, everything else falls into place. 2 hours of studying. It may not sound like much, but it's the consistency that matters. When you commit to your goals, even in small chunks, you're building something greater than you can see in the moment. Progress is invisible until it's not. Remember, discipline isn't about perfection. It's about persistence. We all struggle. We all have moments of doubt. But it's in those moments, the decision to push forward, that defines who we become. Your day might not have been perfect. It rarely is. But you showed up. You made an effort. And that's what counts. Tomorrow is just another opportunity to be better, stronger, more resilient. So, what's on your list tomorrow? Whatever it is, know that you've got this. Small steps lead to big changes. Keep moving forward.